Suggestion number 29.
The moon isn't that far away.
Oh, I'll just have to pick your brains. Where's my cranial dissectables?
You do want to win this Mr. Doggyverse competition, don't you, Derek?
Why, yes.
And the all-expenses-paid holiday?
Good time for the racing. Yeah, well, and I'll need a lot of sea turtles from the race.
Watch their turn. It don't have to be cool. It don't have to be bad. If it's got wheels.
Wow, that was a lot of fun in the race, yeah? Yay.
We rocked that house, didn't we, Boog? They were eating out of our hands. Well, my hands, your paws. Eating out of your paw? That's good. Let's go in the show. Shaw. That guy really chaps my khakis. You wait here, Boog. Cuff him, Gordy.
Oh, the Girl Scouts are here.
He's at it again.
Shaw, what are you doing with that buck on your hood?
What? It ain't my fault. He ran right in front of my truck.
Where? On the interstate?
Sorta.
This place would be perfect for a little hydroponic setup. You got the expertise, the equipment, chemicals and all that.
Okay, well, when you tell your burrow story, that's what it'll do.
As long as you got somewhere cool to store it, you're all laughing.
Yeah, that was a bluff.
Yeah, why do you make it realistic and draw him lying down?
A driving monster truck.
They don't call him Thorvald the Sensible for nothing.
Tree hugger.
Knuckle dragger.
Veggie burger.
All right. That's enough, you two.
Listen, Girl Scout. They're dumb animals. I'm just respecting the natural order. Man on top, animals on the bottom. Now, your bear is special. He belongs somewhere in the middle. Between two slices of rye smothered in gravy.
You're sick, twisted puppy, Shaw.
Put me down for a box of Thin Mints, will you, sweetie? Veggie burger.
Six-toed.
Well, this is a monster truck.
Oh, wow, it is. Look at the thing and I got to go on the drive today.
Yeah, let's go with it.
Out of the car now.
But officer,
I don't care.
I am not happy about this.
Don't let it happen again.
I am so sorry.
30 years I've been doing this. Think about all those guys from the asteroids. Boom, gone. Centipede, who knows where that guy is.
You have to spend money to make money. And they threw in the cardboard lady just to sweeten the deal.
I guess I can't bellyache too much. I got my bricks, I got my stump.
How could we lose to the Bulls? We're out of sync, especially Cambridge and Reynolds. What's the matter with you two? This was your gimme. Now you're going to have to beat the Raptors or we're out. You got that? We're going to have to tighten it up, guys. Pull this thing together.
Well, that's that.
Hey guys, you are delayed for disobey me. I'm afraid we can't do evidence to find you guys. You're gonna do this next year.
Well, that's it. We've been cancelled. I think we can be proud that we never did a bad show. Except for that weak Ray J. Johnson was my co-host.
Whatever you do, I want to look the other way. Well, 10 years, that's enough.
Hi, we're the Wiggles. I'm Greg. I'm Murray.
I'm Jeff.
And I'm Anthony. And here is our good friend, Captain Feathersword. Let's all say ahoy there, Captain Feathersword.
Ahoy
there, Captain Feathersword.
Ahoy there, me hearties!
Captain, excuse me, just one question. Where are you going with all those flags on your hat?
Oh, Greg, I'm going on a trip!
A trip, Captain?
Oh, yes, Anthony, a trip all around the world! Oh, why don't you come with me, me hearties? Let's all go sailing around the world!
Beauty, mate.
Come on, everybody, let's join Captain Feathersword.
Wow!
Well, come on, everybody, he'll show us what to do.
Whoa, now this'll be fun!
Put your hands on your hips, everybody's starting to shake. Wave your arms in the air. Dancing's fun for everyone. Hey, 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 hey. This pirate dancing's fun.
Oh, yes, we are in.
Well, it's exhausting, but it's exhilarating.
Yeah.
2 fantastic jobs like this at my age. I kind of can't believe it. I'm working harder.
Oh, sure you can, Mac. Look, it'll be easy. I'll stay up with you.
All night?
All night long.